Day 4 of letting people make their own Gorilla Tag sound effects. What sound does it make when you touch clouds in Gorilla Tag? What sound does it make when you go into a wind tunnel in Gorilla Tag? What sound does it make when you glide in clouds on the gliders? What sound does it make when you slide on a zip line in Gorilla Tag? What sound does it make when you touch a vine in Gorilla Tag?
It sounds like a...
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and subscribe before 12,000 subscribers.